Hi friends, welcome to Elite Short and Dictations. இது உங்களோட இங்கிலீஷ் சீனியர் 120 வேர்ட்ஸ் per minute செல்ஃப் ஸ்டைல் டிக்டேஷன். இதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு 5 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு பேசேஜும் அடுத்து 2 மினிட்ஸ்க்கு ஒரு லெட்டரும் இருக்கும். இது நீங்கள் ஸ்ட்ரோக் போட்டு ட்ரான்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்கள் கமெண்ட்ஸையும் ஃபீட்பேக்ஸையும் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒரு 5 செகண்ட்ஸில் ஆரம்பிச்சிருவோம் நம்ம. Begin. Dear friends, launching the Indian Space Association through video conferencing, the Prime Minister of India interacted with the representatives of the space industry and addressed the gathering. On this special occasion, the Prime Minister noted the birth anniversary of two great sons of the country and Bharat Ratna recipients, Jayaprakash Narayan and Nanaji Deshmukh. He added that these two great personalities have played a huge role in giving direction to post-independence India. They showed how, by taking everyone along with everyone's efforts, major changes became reality for the nation. Inspired by their philosophy of life, the Prime Minister paid tribute to the two personalities. The Prime Minister stressed that there has never been such a decisive government in India as it is today. The major reforms that are happening in India today, especially in the space sector, is an example of this. He congratulated all those present for the formation of the Indian Space Association. The Prime Minister remarked that the government's approach to space reforms is based on 4 pillars. First, the freedom of innovation to the private sector. Second, the role of the government as an enabler. Third, preparing youth for the future. And fourth, to see the space sector as a resource for the progress of the common man. The Prime Minister said that the space sector is a major medium for the progress of our 130 crore citizens. He remarked that for India, the space sector means better mapping, imaging and connectivity facilities for the common people. He also added that the space sector means better speed from shipment to delivery for entrepreneurs. This also means better security and income for fishermen and better forecast of the natural calamity. The Prime Minister remarked that a self-reliant India campaign is not just a vision but also a well-thought, well-planned, integrated economic strategy. A strategy that will make India a global manufacturing powerhouse by enhancing the skills, capabilities of India's entrepreneurs and India's youths. A strategy that will make India a global center of innovations based on India's technological expertise. He added that it is a strategy which will play a big role in global development. It will enhance the prestige of India's human resources and talent all over the world. The Prime Minister said the government is moving ahead with a clear policy regarding public sector enterprises and is opening most of these sectors to private enterprises where the government is not required. The decision regarding Air India shows our commitment and seriousness, he asserted. The Prime Minister said that during the last 7 years, space technology is being used in settlement of Fasal Bima Yojana claims, Navik system in helping fishermen and disaster management planning. The Prime Minister emphasized the importance of making technology accessible to everyone. Giving an example of digital technology, he said that India is among the top digital economies today because we could make the power of data accessible to the poorest of the poor. Talking about the young entrepreneurs and startups, the Prime Minister said that the government encourages industry, young innovators and startups at entry level. He also expressed the hope that through the suggestions of the gathering today and active engagement of the stakeholders, very soon a better spacecom policy and remote sensing policy will emerge. The Prime Minister noted how the 20th century tendency of trying to rule the space and the space sector divided the countries of the world. Now, in the 21st century, he concluded by saying that India will have to ensure that space plays an important role in uniting and connecting the world. Letter from General Marketing Stores, Madurai, to Messrs. The Managing Director, City Fragrance Company, Mount Road, Chennai. Dear Sirs, we wish to inform you that all the goods ordered by you during the last month were delivered by us promptly and as per your requirements. At the outset, we would like to remind you to pay the balance amount quickly. We are now happy to inform you that we have currently introduced a new bath soap that would attract people of all ages. This soap is packed with the smell of sandalwood and will last for about 12 hours. This soap is completely made from natural materials and no chemicals are added to it. So there is no need to worry about any kind of allergy. Since your company deals with the sales of perfumes, we think that this soap will boost up your sales. We would also like to inform you that in addition to the normal commission, we are ready to give extra commission of 1% for every box that you sell. Discounts are also applicable for bulk orders with 50% initial payment for the orders. We wish your response and are ready to clarify any doubt you have regarding this. We are ready with the soap now and we think that it will be reaching you next week. We solicit your kind cooperation in this matter, assuring you of our best services. Thank you. Yours truly. ஸோ இதோட அந்த பேசேஜ் வந்து முடியுது. இதுக்கு நீங்கள் ட்ரான்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி உங்கள் ஃபீட்பேக்ஸையும் கமெண்ட்ஸையும் சொல்லுங்கள். இதை ரிவ்யூ செஷனில் நம்ம எடுத்து பார்ப்போம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.